this is Justin Hummel. This video is a brief introduction to the Powder King EC200 HMI control system. This control system offers improved simplicity for the operators when running the pulverizer. Navigation through each menu is more user-friendly and has never been more intuitive. When you power up your machine, this is the default screen that will be displayed. You will use this main menu screen to navigate through the control system for operating your pulverizer. In this video, I will give you a brief explanation of each of the 9 sub-menus you see here. Starting at the top left with control, this button takes you to the control screen. The control screen displays full machine operation in one place. Here's where we start, stop, run the pulverizer component motors. This screen displays real-time amp load of the motors, mill temperature, vacuum levels, and ambient air temperature. Here you can also see your current run parameters and make adjustments to them on the fly. Now let's move on to setup and recipes. The setup and recipe page serves 2 roles. First, this is where you manually input your machine's run parameters. Second, this is where you can save unique run parameters and recall them for later use. As you know, different parameters are often needed depending on the material you are processing. Being able to save these recipes in the control system provides the operator with a quick and accurate reference when switching materials. The new HMI has plenty of storage for thousands of recipes that can be named, accessed, and loaded within seconds. Moving back to the main menu, the next screen we are going to take a look at is the trends screen. Here, operators can view real-time data of the mill's run statistics. This screen provides an informative look into how the machine is operating in both past and present time. Right now, there is no information shown on this graph because the machine is not running. Back to the main menu, the next screen we are going to look at is the alarm screen. The alarm screen is where date and time-stamped notifications will be shown in the event of any safety sensors or thermocouples are tripped or engaged. From the main menu, the next screen we're going to look at is the warning screen. The warning screen is where date and time-stamped notifications will be shown in the event of any motor overloads are tripped. Moving back to the main menu, the next screen we're going to look at is the permissive screen. The permissive screen is where you can check the status of safety sensors, plugins for the machine. If a sensor is not working properly, a red block will be displayed next to the item's name. Note, the screen you are looking at is displayed with red blocks. This is only shown this way because the motors are not running. Back to the main menu screen, we are going to look at the operation log. The operation log screen is a feature that logs every button pressed and changes made in any menu with a time and date stamp for the action. This provides operators with a chronological history of changes made to the mill's run data or setup. From the main menu, the next screen we're going to look at is the contact screen. Here you will find our phone number for your reference in the event you need immediate customer service. Moving back to the main screen, the last screen we are going to look at is the maintenance screen. The maintenance screen is primarily used for performing maintenance or changing the configuration of your pulverizer. Although there is much more information about this page that will be covered more in depth with our maintenance screen video. This concludes our overview of the EC200 HMI control system. For a further in-depth explanation of each sub-menu screen, please see the video that corresponds to the menu you need more information on. Thanks for taking a look and have a great day.